Okay, so I'm going to be subbing in for Mr. Madsen today. He asked me to do this for you. So we're going to be making the 6 blocks in TinkerCAD. So first we're going to pull up our 6 blocks that we're going to be doing. And let's load. We're going to be doing the green block first, then the red block, then the blue block, then the orange block, then the yellow block, then the pink block. Okay, so first what we're going to do is we're going to go to geometric and pull out a box. Actually, don't do that real quick. Edit your grid and choose inches, like that. Once you've done that, set your snap grid to 1/2 inch, then pull out your box. What you're going to do is you're going to make your box a 4-inch width, a 3 1/4 inch height, and as you can see, we can't get a perfect 3 1/4 alone with the half snap grid, so we're going to set it to 1/4 and then drag it up one more, so it is 1/4. Next, you're going to go around and make the width 1/2, like that. And there's your first block right there. And what you're going to do is you're going to screenshot that, and then after you've done that, pull out another box. And then you are going to make that the same width, and you're going to make it the depth, or you're going to make it the width that you want to cut out for the second block right here. So once you've cut out this, once you've gotten your second box, you're going to make it 1 inch tall and 1 inch wide. And as when you drag it out, it starts at 1 inch, so you don't need to make any changes there. Then you change it to whole, and you drag over your box so it is where you want it. Then you click out of that, you click shift, you click on the red box, and you click on your whole box. Hold on. And then you click group. And that should give you your second drawing right there. Like that. Now we're going to do the third drawing. And that's going to be the same as the second, except you're going to add an extra hole onto the other top side. So you're going to make it the same width again. You're going to click hole. You're going to drag it up to where you want it. Hold on, almost got it. And you're going to do the same as you did with the drawing 2. And you're just going to click group. And there you have your third drawing. And we're going to do the last drawing, the orange drawing, next. So that should be pretty much the same as the others we've done, except you're cutting out 2 spots on the bottom. So you're going to do the 1/2. You're going to click hole like normal. And then shift and click the 2, group them together. Now you're not done yet, but you're about halfway through it. So you're going to drag out another box. Make it the same size as you've been doing. Click hole. Drag it to where you want. And shift click the hole and your other drawing and click group. Then you have your 6th drawing. And since we can't do anything more with this, we're going to delete it. And so make sure you're taking screenshots of these. That way you're not having to go and redo it. And so you just get rid of that by clicking on the drawing and then clicking backspace. So now we're going to do the bigger L. So we're going to make it our depth and height and width. So same as always, 4 inches by 3 1/4 and 1/2 deep. And so now you're going to use the same technique you used for creating the ones that I have previously showed you. Except this time, you are going to make it a little bigger. So you're going to make it the same depth. And you got to drag out another box. So let's make that the same depth. Hold on. Okay, now it's the same depth. But now we need to make it wider. We're going to change it to 2 inches wide. There we go. And let me go and check the dimensions for the other one. Okay, so we're going to make this one 1 3/4 deep. So we're going to make it about halfway deep. So you're going to make it 1 3. Oh, the lights just turned off. Hold on, let me get those. Okay, there we go. So we're going to make that 1 3/4 tall. And we're just going to drag it over to where we normally place it. And, oh, hold on. There we go. Same as always, just click Shift and connect the two and click Group. And hold on. There you have your L. Now for the triangle one, this one's going to be a little more tricky. So you're going to want to pay attention to this one a little closer. You could do one of two things. I'll show you both of them. You can take your box, make it the normal size, as like you would do for any other. Make it 4 wide and 3 1/4 tall. And drag that to where you can get it. And then what you can do is you can get a wedge. It should be the blue block. You're going to want to rotate that using the rotate key. You're going to want to rotate it again so you can get it where you want. Hold on. There we go. And you're going to make it half the size of the box. So watch closely. You're going to make it 3 1/4 tall. And you're going to make it 4 wide. And then you turn it into a hole. That way you can cut it out. Hold on. Let me get a better view of this. Hold on. Oh, whoops. This is too wide. Where is it? Oh, that's what I forgot to do. Sorry, I forgot to make it 1.5 wide. So you're going to make it them both 1.5 wide. You're going to drag it over. And do the same technique you've used for the others. And you're just going to shift click both. Hold on, it's being a little tricky. Click here. There we go. Then you click Group. That's one way you can do it. Or you can do it by just pulling out a wedge, rotating it so it's at -90 degrees. Make it 4 inches wide. And make it 1.5 inches deep. Then all you have to do from there is just make it 3 1/4 inches tall, and you already have your wedge perfectly done like that. So I hope you remembered to take your screenshots. I hope you understood this. If you need any help, just talk to Mr. Madsen. Thanks.